If you've ever tried designing a slide in PowerPoint and felt frustrated because your picture keeps covering your text or shapes, you're not alone today. You'll learn a quick but powerful trick that instantly makes your slides look cleaner, more professional, and much more visually appealing, sending a picture to the back. And don't worry, this works whether you're a student making a school project or someone building a polished presentation for work. Let's jump right in. Start by opening PowerPoint on your computer. You might be using the desktop version or accessing it through Office 365 online. Either option works perfectly. Once you're inside, open the presentation file you want to edit, whether it's stored locally on your device or saved in a cloud service like OneDrive or Google Drive. If the picture you want to use isn't on your slide yet, insert it by going to the Insert tab and selecting Pictures. Choose the image and it will appear directly on your slide, usually sitting on top of everything else, but if you want that picture to act as a background or sit behind other elements, here's the simple move that changes everything. Click to select the image, then right-click on it. A menu will pop up with several options, and among them, you'll see Send to Back. Go ahead and click it. Instantly, your image shifts behind your text, shapes, icons, whatever else is on your slide. This rearranges the layer order, placing your selected picture below the rest of your content. If you're working with multiple overlapping items, you can repeat this process as needed. And here's a pro tip. Whenever you want even more control, select the image and look for the Arrange section under the Format tab on the ribbon. This gives you tools like Bring Forward, Send Backward, and more precise ordering options. Super helpful when designing complex slides. And that's all it takes. You now know how to send a picture to the back in PowerPoint and control layers like a pro. With this one simple skill, you can make your slides more dynamic, organized, and visually striking. Try experimenting with different layouts and see how much more polished your presentations can look. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.